sharing my screen. So let's gets into topic. Get into topic. So okay, fine. So generally we are discussing. I will give the introduction of Java, like what is Java and what is a programming language. So we'll get the clarity on it. Okay. So the basic thing you have to awareness of like what does it mean by language and what does it mean by programming language. So what does it mean by language and what is programming language? What is programming language? So you should have to aware of these two. What is normal language and what is programming language? So that I will explain through the MS Paint. You can get the clarity on it. So I will open Paint. I will take increase the size of it. So I can change to some system. So I hope this is clear for everyone. Now, uh, so we'll go with first language approach. So what is the purpose of language? You can assume there we have the two persons. I'm taking two persons. We have the two persons actually. Okay. So there are two persons you can assume like that. Like there are two persons, and the first person say to him, like the person, this person is the A and this person is the B. You can assume like that, and the person is saying to hello. The person is saying to hello. Like this person is saying to this person hello. Okay, hello. So if the person knows the same language and how the person he can return the reply like this. He can return the reply like this. Like if the person knows the language, he can also reply the answer like this. Hey, hello, like that. He can reply like this, hi, like that. Or else, so the thing here, the scenario is whatever the languages they know. Like here they both guys are using the language in the English language. Okay, the similarly this case you can assume in case of Hindi, any other languages also. Okay, so this is the A person and this is the B person. If any person knows the language, if the both whatever the languages they knows each other, the language that language they can use as a communication as the mediator. So here the person is telling hello and this person is returning the hi. This person is returning the hi. So in this case, language is acting as a mediator in between the two entities, two persons. Whatever the language they knows, both of they are communicate with that language. They are communicate with that language. Now here language is a medium which is used to communication between the two entities. We have the A person and B person, and in this case, language is the mediator. Language is the mediator. Okay, fine. I hope this is clear. And next point is, so whereas what does it mean by programming language? So here we have the person and where we have the mission. Here I am taking some mission, like some computer I am taking. So here they are using language as a mediator if the person want to communicate with another person. So in this case, this is the human, and here this is the computer. And if you want to communicate, this person want to communicate with the mission. So how the person can able to communicate? So there in that case, we will use language as the mediator. Language as the mediator. That is the thing you have to remember. So here we will use language as the mediator. So language as the mediator. This is the programming language. This is the programming language. Programming language. Okay, so I will write the definition for them. You can get the clarity on it. So language. So what is language? So language is a medium. So language is a medium. Language is a medium between two entities. Between two entities. Between two entities. Okay, and Programming language is a medium between human and machine. So between human and machine, programming language is a medium between medium medium between, I can say, human and mission. So if you want to communicate with the mission, we will use the programming language. If you want to communicate between any person or anything, so language we will as the mediator. Language we will as the mediator. So similarly, so now we can get the clarity on programming language. So we have various programming languages. So generally we have various programming languages. Various programming languages. Programming languages. Various programming languages like C and C++ and Python and Java. So these are the I would say various programming languages we have. Various programming languages we have. Various programming languages we have. So now we are discussing with programming language, that is the Java. So the first question they will ask, like, what is Java, right? This is the first question they will ask. So the first answer you have to tell, Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. Already you know what does it mean by programming language. Language is the normal language which is used to communicate between two persons. Which is used to communicate between the two persons. So here Java is a programming language which is used to communicate to which is used to communicate between communicate between human and mission. Human and mission. Human and mission. Okay. Next, Java is a programming language and which is used to communicate between the human and machine. And next point here it is, who is the father of Java? So if you attend the basic interview level, so they will ask some questions like who is the father of Java. So Java is developed by the James Gosling and his team. Java is developed by the James Gosling and his team. James Gosling and his team. So generally, if you read like previous books, so somewhere like generally, who is the father of Java meaning? So they told generally the father of Java is the James Gosling. So generally, I would say Java is developed by the James Gosling and his team in 1991. In the year 1991. Okay, the company name is Sun Microsystem. At Sun Microsystem is the company name. Sun Microsystem is the company name. Sun Microsystem is the Sun Microsystem. Next, initially Java name. Initially they named. Initially they named Oka. So Java initial name is the Oka. Java initial name is the Oka. Oka programming language. Oak programming language. So later they changed to Java programming language in around 1995 actually. In 1995, I would say Oak programming renamed to Java. Oak programming language renamed to Java. I hope this is clear as of now. Oak programming language renamed to Java. Oak programming language renamed to Java. So initial company is Sun Microsystem. See here the note point is in 2010 Sun Microsystem acquired by the Oracle company. That is the note point I am writing here. In 2010, in 2010 Sun Microsystem, uh, Sun Microsystem in 2010 Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Oracle is the Oracle company, Oracle Corporation acquired the Sun Microsystem, acquired Sun Microsystem, Sun Microsystem in 2010. Okay, now the JDK and everything under the license of Oracle company, license and everything under the control of Oracle company, Oracle company. The next important point is Java is the free and open source software. Java is free and open source software. Open source software. So generally, if you there are multiple websites also there, like you can go through that and you can refer those. Actually, you can learn from that also. So generally, Java, there is no restrictions. Java is the free and open source. There is no restrictions. Java is free and open source. Free and open source. Next point is Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. Popular language in the world. Language in the world. So I will. Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. Okay. Now the next question is how the Java programming language build. How Java language build. How Java programming language build. So this is the next question. How Java programming language build. So this I will show you the I would say I will use the MS Paint. Through that I will try to understand how the programming language will build. So generally normal language case we can try with two scenarios. Scenario number one with respect to language and scenario number two with respect to programming language. Okay. So now I will take the some containers, some boxes like okay. Now will with respect to language, with respect to language, any language you can take, like what are the, like directly you guys can able to speak, no, right? So you have to first thing you have to learn like the, I would say, characters. So you should learn the characters from A to Z. So once you get the grip on characters, then you can able to learn, you can I would say, okay, once you get the clarity on characters, you can able to make, you can make the some words, right? With the help of characters you can make the words. With the help of words we can make the paragraphs. We can make the paragraphs. With the help of words we can make the sentences. We can make the sentences. With the help of sentences we can make the paragraphs. We can make the paragraphs. With the help of paragraphs, we can make the stories. We can make the stories. So this is it happened with respect in case of language. In case of language. So similarly, we can try to understand with respect to programming language. With respect to programming language, so I am taking the containers and this is programming language with respect to programming language. So here you should be familiar with characters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 and some special characters like at the rate, hash. These are the special characters. You should be familiar with these things. Once you get the clarity on it, already these things already you know, and based on that, you can make the tokens. We can make the tokens. With the help of tokens, we can make the statements. We can write the statements. We can write the statements. With the help of statements, we can develop the programs, statements, and here with the help of statements, we can develop tokens. Token meaning every small part of the program is called token. With the help of token, we can make the sentences. With the help of sentences, we can develop the programs. We can develop the programs. With the help of programs, we can build one software. We can build the softwares. We can build the softwares. Okay, so the basic level in the interview level, as you attend the as a fresher level, they will ask the basic question: what is software? What is software? So software is nothing but a group of programs. Software is nothing but a group of programs. What is software? Software is nothing but a group of programs. A group of programs is called software. So this is the diagram for how the programming language builder. How programming language builder. How programming language builder. This is the diagram. How programming language builder. How programming language builder. So I will explain one more time. So if you any language you cannot directly able to speak. So any language you have to follow some I would say some structure. What is the structure? First thing you have to learn the I would say the basic things like alphabets, and once you get the clarity on alphabets, you can will make the we will write the words, and once you get the clarity on the words, we will write the sentences, and after that paragraphs, and after the stories. After that we can able to write the stories. So similarly in programming language also, first thing is the programming language. Once you get the clarity on this is the basics. This basics already you know, and with the help of basics you can make the tokens. With the help of tokens you can make the sentence statements. With the help of statements you can write the programs. With the help of programs you can develop the software. Now the basic question: what is software? Software is nothing but a group of programs. A collection of programs is called a software. A collection of program is called a collection of program is called software. I hope this is clear. Now the next question is, so generally Java is divided into three parts. Java is divided into three parts. Divided into three parts actually. Three parts. So the first part is JSE. JSE, also called as J2SE. Also called as J2SE. J2SE. So J2SE, JSE meaning Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. With the help of Java Standard Edition, we can make standalone applications. We can develop standalone applications. We can develop standalone applications. We can develop standalone applications. Standalone applications. So again, what does it mean by standalone application? Meaning only one at a time. At a time, only one person can able to access. Only one person can able to access within the system. Within the system. This is a standalone application. Okay, within the system only you can able to access like uh, calculator and this MS Paint. So these are comes under the standalone applications. These are comes under the standalone applications. Next we have the J2W. J2W. This is also called as JW. JW. This means Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. With the help of this Enterprise Edition, we can develop we can develop web applications. We can develop web applications meaning so multiple persons access at a time. Multiple persons access at a time. Access at a time. Like the best examples are like uh, uh, I would say Flipkart, Amazon, stock related websites. All are comes under the category of JW applications. JW applications. And after that, we have the third one, that is the JME. JME, or we can say JME, or we can say J2W. JME. This is the Java Mobile Edition. Java Mobile Edition. With the help of this edition, we can develop the mobile applications. We can develop mobile applications. We can develop mobile applications. Mobile applications. So these are the three categories, guys. Java is divided into three parts: JSC, J2W, J2ME. Okay. Java is divided into three parts: JSC, J2W, and J2ME. J2ME. So generally, here we might be have the questions like uh, types of applications. Types of applications. Types of applications. So generally, the types of applications in the market. So the first thing is we have web applications, and mobile applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications, desktop, desktop applications. Next, we have IoT applications, IoT, Internet of Things, IoT applications, and AI applications, AI applications, AI applications. So these are the applications are available in the market. So 2D and 3D gaming applications, 2D and 3D gaming applications, 3D gaming applications. Okay, web applications meaning the multiple persons can able to access at a time. These all are the examples for the like Flipkart, Amazon, some stock related, any e-commerce and web applications. You can say example for the web applications. Mobile applications meaning mobile native applications. Mobile native applications. So like if you take like I would say calculator, calendar. So these are the comes under the category of mobile applications. Next we have the desktop applications. Desktop applications meaning desktop native applications. So with that, those applications you can able to access within the system only, within one system only. Like I can say like Excel sheet and MS Word, MS Paint. These you are able to access within the one system only, right? So those all comes under the category of desktop native applications. Desktop native applications. Next, Internet of Things applications. Internet of Things applications generally, if you go with like some traffic signals, so the traffic signal it will follow some timelines like so some a red light it will be blink, I would say around 60 minutes, and after that green light. So how it is working? It is working based on application, that is the IoT applications, Internet of Things applications, Internet of applications. Next we have the AI applications. AI applications meaning, for example, if you are using like iPhone, or there they will give the by default feature, that is the like Siri, Alexa, like if you want anything, simply you can tell to that Siri and it will process the request and it will return the response. It will return the response. Such kind of applications you can develop by using the such kind of applications are called AI applications. AI applications. Next we have the 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications, where you can see generally when you go to the shopping mall, in that shopping mall, so some huge crowded shopping mall, so like in front of shopping mall, so they will keep some gamings like one kid one kid riding the bike, the everything, the data like how much he is going, it is one they has to display, they will display and one display board. So these kind of gaming applications you can regularly can observe in the shopping malls. So they will use some gaming related bike riding and car riding. Okay, so these kind of applications are comes under the category of gaming applications. These are comes under the category of gaming applications, 2D and 3D gaming applications. So these are the types of applications available in the market. From that, so we can develop. So what are the technologies? What are the applications we can develop by using the Java? So the next heading is what we can develop using the Java. What we can develop, what we can develop by using Java. We can develop by using Java. So first one is we can develop standalone applications, and we can develop standalone applications. Next, we can develop web applications. We can develop web applications. Next, we can develop mobile applications, and we can develop some games related applications, and next we can develop some servers, and we can develop databases, databases, and so etc. With the help of Java language, you can make these applications: standalone applications, web applications, mobile applications, games related applications, servers, databases, server databases. Okay, so I hope this is clear, like what is programming language and what is language, what is programming language, and Java is divided into three parts. And next thing is types of applications. These are the types of applications. So from that, what we can develop by using the Java, these are the applications: standalone web application, mobile applications, and games related applications, and servers. So next heading is Java features. So what are the Java features generally? So Java syntax is the simple compared to like legacy languages are like C++. Compared to those languages, syntax is the easy. Syntax is the easy. So that is the one feature in Java. And next feature in Java is platform independent. Platform independent, meaning we can write the program in one system. That program you can write, you can run in anywhere, any system. Like for example, uh, you write the program on Windows. That program you can run in Mac. That program you can run in Linux. Any system you can run the program. So that is the very big advantage in Java. We can run the program anywhere, and we can run the program anywhere. You can write the program in one system. That program you can run in anywhere. That you can run in anywhere. Next point is, so Java is the OOP language. Java is OOP language, OOP supported language. Java is the OOP language, object oriented language. So in that object oriented language, so generally I can categorize the OOPs in two parts: OOP part number one and OOP part number two. So in that, what the in the OOP language, where what the topics we have generally class and object, and we have the principles, OOPs principles, like inheritance, and how the principles are like polymorphism, and we have the principles like abstraction, abstraction, and we have the principles like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. 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 Inheritance meaning it is the process of extending the properties from one class to another class. Polymorphism meaning if one object exhibits multiple behaviors, then we can go with the polymorphism. Abstraction meaning hiding the unnecessary data and provide the required information is called abstraction. Encapsulation, combining the variables and methods as a single entity is called encapsulation. So Java it supports the OOPS principles. These four are called OOPS principles. So which language supports the OOPS principles? Then that language is called OOP language, OOP supported language. So Java is also OOP supported language. Java is also OOP supported language. So next, in Java, everything you can deal with the methods, objects only. So that is the reason. So obviously, Java is the secure language. Java is secure language. Next feature with Java is it will support the multi-threading. It will support the multi-threading. It will support the multi-threading. And next important point is Java is the portable language. Java is the portable language. Portable meaning you can easily carry from one system to another system. You can easily carry from one system to another system. So Java is the portable language. Java is the portable language. So these are the very big features available in the Java. These are the features available in Java. These are the features available in Java. So I hope this is clear, right? I will explore. I will repeat one more time. Okay. So we are discussing. I would say language. Language is a medium between two entities. Medium between two entities. So for example, if the person want to speak another person, so for example, if the person is tell to hello or hi to that person, and if the person knows the same language, then he also return to him like hi. Okay, so there are using a language as a mediator. A language as a mediator. Similarly, programming language is also mediator, is a medium between human and machine. Human and mission. Human and mission. Okay, similarly, we have the various programming languages in the market. The various programming languages are like C, C++, Python. So these are the languages available in the market. So now we are going with the Java language. Now we are going with the Java language. So the first question they will ask like, what is Java? So already you know what is programming language. Okay, Java is a one programming language which is used to communicate between human and machine. Human and mission. Next question. Next question is Java is developed by the James Gosling. James Gosling. James Gosling. Okay, and his team in 1991. Initial company name is the Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. And initially they named Oak programming language is the Java initial name. So later they are changed to they are changed to they renamed to Java. They renamed to Java. They renamed to Java. So the note point is in 2010, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Now everything under the license of Sun Microsystem. Now everything under the license of Sun Microsystem. Next point is Java is the free and open source software. Okay, Java is the one of the most popular language in the world. One of the most popular language in the world. Okay, so how the programming language build? So we'll understand about the diagram. So how you follow the in case of language, the same structure we have to follow in case of programming language also. In case of programming language also. Okay, fine. Next, Java is divided into three parts. So Java is divided into three parts. One is JSE, JSE also called as J2SE, Java Standard Edition. We can develop the standalone applications by using. We can develop the standalone applications by using. We can develop the standalone applications by using JSE. So within the system only you can able to access. Next, Java Enterprise Edition. We can develop the web applications and multiple persons can able to access. The best examples are like Flipkart, Amazon. These are the best example for the like e-commerce applications, like digital websites are considered category of like Flipkart. I would say Flipkart, Amazon, Amazon. These are etc. These are we can say example for the enterprise edition. Next, mobile applications.
What is the example for standard edition?
Native, native like calculator. You played in the child like some snake games
Okay.
within the mobile only. You can play the games, right? So those are
Oh,
considered the category of J2SC.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. Next, J2ME. These are the mobile applications. So with the help of these mobile applications, you can develop the mobile apps, mobile applications. Next, these are the types of applications available in the market: web applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications, IoT applications, AI application, 2D and 3D gaming applications. Okay, so by using language, we can develop these websites, these applications like standalone applications, web applications, mobile applications, and games related applications, servers and databases. Servers and database. Server is also one software. Database is also one software. Those servers and databases also we can develop by using the Java language. We can develop by using Java language. And the next thing is Java features. Next thing is I have to have Java features. So compared to syntax, Java is the simple syntax, easy to understand, and platform independent, meaning we can run the Java program in one system. That program we can compile into the dart class files. Those dart class files you can run in anywhere. Those dart class files you can run in anywhere. Okay, so that is the one big advantage with the Java. Java is the platform independent. Next, Java is the OOP supported language. What are the OOP? These four are called OOPS principles. These four are called OOPS principles, like polymorphism, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. These four are called OOPS principles. These four are called OOPS principles. And next, obviously Java is the secure language. Why? Because it follows the OOPS principles. It follows the OOPS principles. Next, it supports the multi-threading, and Java is the portable. Portable meaning you can easily carry from one place to another place. You can easily carry from one place to another place. You can easily carry from one place to another place. So this is the introduction about Java, guys. So I will share this document to you in the group, so everybody can go through that. And when you are following the classes, you have to do two things. First thing is we have to write the class notes, and after that, so you have to make your personal notes. So then, whoever is following these like these efforts, so they can easily grab the language. Why? Because so most of them are coming like non-IT background, or they work in some other non-IT locations, so they are coming into the programming language. So they have to put some efforts. Okay, whoever is coming from completely non-IT, or in IT also, whoever is not having the good knowledge on Java, so while running the class, you have to make class notes. Once the class is done, you have to make your personal notes. How you can make the personal notes? You can refer the multiple websites, and you have to write that personal notes based on your knowledge. Based on your knowledge. So this is the two things you have to follow. And assignments. Daily, I will share the assignments. So I will give the assignments. You have to do the assignments, and that assignments you can share in the group. Okay. So today is the introduction class. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll go with one by one, like how to install the JDK and how to write the programs, and one by one, gradually, we will go through all the topics one by one. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys. So anyone have any questions?
No, Krishna.
So I hope everyone is clear, right? No questions. Okay. If you guys have no questions, can you please share your names?
Okay.
Please share your names, guys.